What are we doing right now to create maximum yield? And really what we're doing right now is just scouting the fields, looking at insects, disease, and pests, also fertility issues, and trying to protect the maximum yield that we already built into our field with our planter operation. So from the insect standpoint, a couple things that we're seeing: rootworm beetles are emerging, and so we need to start thinking about if we need to control those to limit silk clipping, as well as if we need to control those if we're rotating back to corn next year. The other thing that we're seeing, western bean cutworm, we're finding a few more egg masses this year than we have for the past couple years. We think that there's potential that we're gonna have some fields that exceed the threshold there, which is 5 to 8%, and need some control done to them. And then the last thing that we're seeing from the insect standpoint is we're starting to see some spider mites, especially on edges of fields that are near grass or wheat stubble. We had those mites move in there around wheat harvest, and we're watching that to make sure that the beneficial organisms like the ladybugs are at high enough populations to take care of those. If not, we're gonna have to recommend spraying to protect that yield. So the other piece on spraying for rootworm beetle and western bean cutworm, we can use the same insecticide and time that spraying right near tassel when those rootworm beetles become gravid or egg laying, and also the pollen and silks really bring all those beetles up out of the soil. And the western bean cutworms, they might be in the field now and hatching, but they're not actually gonna start drilling into that ear until that tasseling and silking has kind of ended. And so we can kind of time that spray application to get both of those pests. So really right now in the max yield system, we're just here protecting the yield we already built.